In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make portfolio on Dropbox. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable portfolio that's easy to update and professional to present. First, create your foundation. If you don't already have a Dropbox account, head to dropbox.com and sign up for a free one. Once you're signed in, look for the New Folder button and create a dedicated folder for your portfolio. A clear, memorable name helps, something like your name/portfolio. Keep it simple and consistent so you can find and maintain it easily over time. Next, bring your work into Dropbox. Open your new portfolio folder and upload your files. You can drag and drop them straight from your computer, or click the upload button if you prefer a menu. Dropbox handles images, PDFs, design files, and videos, so gather your best pieces. Before you upload, double-check that file names are descriptive. Titles like Project Name Final or Magazine Spread 2024 make your work easy to browse at a glance. If a file is very large, consider exporting a web-friendly version to keep loading fast for viewers. Now it's time to organize. Inside your portfolio folder, create subfolders that clearly group your work, such as photography, design projects, or writing samples. This structure helps people quickly navigate to what they care about most. Place the appropriate files into each subfolder and keep the number of items in each one focused, quality over quantity. If your work spans multiple disciplines, you can also include a highlights subfolder with your strongest pieces so a viewer sees your best work first. When you're ready to share, generate a clean, professional link. Hover over the file or folder you want to share and click Share. In the window that opens, choose Copy Link to grab a public URL you can send to anyone. Before you send it, click Manage to fine-tune permissions. For a portfolio, view only is usually the best choice, so your work can't be changed or downloaded without your approval. If you want extra control, you can add password protection or set an expiry date so the link stops working after a deadline. This is useful when sharing time-sensitive samples. Finally, test your link by opening it in a private or incognito window to see exactly what your audience will experience. If everything looks good, include the link on your resume, website, or social profiles. That's it. You've set up a polished Dropbox portfolio that's simple to maintain, easy to navigate, and secure to share.